Soccer DBB number 101. This is for 2015 Topps Premier Gold. Teams are on the right, guys. Good luck. One box of EPL 2015. What? So, I'll talk to you after the break. So he actually doesn't want them. Or what? I heard he is a fan of the team too, so not sure. Alright guys, good luck. One box of EPL. Let's put the camera more down. Here we go. Let's pull some sickness out of this. We got base and another base. Wow, sick. Topps kick and Juan Mata, Man United, and Sergio. Orange, nice start. Come on, give us a good team. It is going to Crystal Palace, Yannick Bolasie. Palace, his stats, right? Congrats. Nice one. Yannick Bolasie 211, 2 of 11, going to stats and Crystal Palace spot. Got Nigel Martin for Leeds, and the autograph is Jason Puncheon, Crystal Palace again. Nice one. Is he here? Yeah, that doesn't mean anything. Oh, we got a printing plate, guys. Wow, nice box. Come on, give us a good printing plate. Wow, Crystal Palace again. Wow. Julian Speroni, Crystal Palace 101 plate for stats. Oh, it's stats day today. Nice. Alright, got Thierry Henry and Jermaine Lance for Sunderland. Autograph. Alright, next pack. We got base and another base. Got new signings, Peter Cech, Arsenal, and jersey is Gary Cahill, Chelsea. Regular jersey. Base and purple, West Bromwich Albion, James Chester to 50. Got Paulo Di Canio, West Ham, and autograph is Joe Ledley for Palace. Wow, a Palace box. Stats destroying this box with Palace. Alright, next up, we got base. Another base, we got a green, Man United, Chris Smalling, and Andy King for Leicester. That's Yuntao. Base. We got Wayne Rooney, Man U, and is it numbered? No. David Seaman, Arsenal, and autograph Wes Houlihan, Norwich. Base, we have purple, 7 of 50, Christian Benteke for Liverpool. Got Pedro for Chelsea, and Jeff Schlupp for Leicester. Green, 61 of 99. Wow, 2 packs left. The menu booklet. We got a jumbo coming. First up, black, David Silva to 25 for City. That is 9 of 25. 9 of 25. Got Peter Cech and jumbo jersey autograph for Andy King and Leicester. And that is Yuntao, 4 of 50. Andy King and Leicester. Alright, last pack. Last pack. Looks like it's a regular pack. Nothing special. Green, Bournemouth, Arthur Buruk. You got Everton, Seamus Coleman, and last hit of the break is Dusan Tadic for Southampton jersey. Alright, that's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to next time. Peace.